Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to speed up and make your computer faster. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first thing that we need to do is at the search bar, type notifications and actions. Okay, so the moment you type that, this best match will appear. Just click on open to continue. So once you're being redirected here at the notifications, you need to click this down arrow and make sure that all of the sections are in disabled or turned off, okay? Because sometimes notifications affect the performance of our computer. So the more notifications that we have, the more laggy our computer will be, okay? So make sure that all of this box is unchecked. And once done, just have to close this window, and the next and second step is we need to change the performance of our computer. Okay, we can do that? Just have to search for View Advanced. Okay, so the moment you could type View Advanced, this best match will appear. View Advanced System Settings. Click on Open. Here in the System Properties window, you need to look for Advanced. Okay, and since we'll be changing the performance of our computer, then we'll be going to this first tab and click on Settings. Okay, so here you will be redirected to the performance options. Here in the visual effects, you need to choose Best Performance. So the appearance might not be the same in your computer and you might not like it, but trust me, the performance of your computer will be at its best. Okay, so don't choose this adjust for best appearance because that will consume a lot of space in your computer. So either choose between let Windows choose what's best for my computer or this adjust for best performance. Click on apply and then okay. So once done, let's proceed to the third step, which is we need to go for settings and have to type settings here and then click on open. Here in our settings, we need to go for applications. Okay, so you can see apps here next to personalization at the left side of your screen. Click on it. And in this new tab, go for installed apps. Click on it again. Okay. So once you're being redirected here, the installed applications which are present in your computer, you need to identify those applications that you no longer needed or unnecessary in your computer and uninstall it. And how can we uninstall such? For example, we'll be uninstalling this Acer Jumpstart. Just have to click these three dots here and go for uninstall. So just simply uninstall and permanently remove a specific application. And some if you have identified some unfamiliar application that you have mistakenly installed in your computer, so just simply uninstall that. Okay? So once done, let's close this window and let's proceed to the next step, which is to press Windows and R key together. And here you need to type clean mgr. Then click on OK to proceed. So the moment you click on that, this cleanup will appear, okay? So here's the thing, you need to mark check all of this. Simply click this box here, okay? Because these are junk files, registries, bugs created by your system and not by you. So basically, this is harmless and will not delete all the important files, data that you have created or that you have saved in your computer. Okay, so in my case, my disk cleanup will free up to 269 megabyte of disk space. In your case, it might be bigger than that. Okay, so how to delete this? Just simply click on OK. and delete files. So in that manner, you are deleting all the unnecessary files, the bugs in your computer. Okay. So once done, let's move on to our next step, which is to open the Windows and R key together again. And this time type prefetched. Then click on OK and continue to allow the prefetch to open. Okay. So the moment you type that, you'll be redirected here at the prefetch window where you can see a bunch of files, junk files, registries created by your system. Okay. So in order to delete all of this, just simply click anywhere of this file, Control A to select the whole and Shift to delete and click on yes to proceed. Okay. So once done, there are some remaining files that you can see in this window, and that's completely fine. Okay. So just have to close this, and this time we need to open our startups. Now, how can we do that? At the start, I can do a right click and go for Task Manager. The moment you click on Task Manager, just expand it. And then here, you can see at the left side of your screen, it has these different sections. You need to go for Startup Apps. Click on it, and you will be able to see all the applications present in your startup apps. Okay, so here's the catch. You need to identify those applications that you no longer needed in your startup apps. So there might be spamming here or unfamiliar applications present in your startups. Just have to change the status into disabled. Now let's say for example, let's disable this. For example, this Microsoft Edge. Just have to do a right click and click on disable to disable such. But in my case, I'll be not disabling this Microsoft Edge because I'm using this Microsoft Edge browser for years. Okay, so that's important to me. And if your case you have seen any of those applications again, just simply do a right click and disable such. Okay, so in that manner, you are freeing this space in your startup apps or in your computer. Okay, so once done, let's need to close these and let's proceed to the next step, which is to run our settings again. So at the search button, type settings and then click on open to continue. So once you're here at the settings, go for personalization, click on it. Okay. And in this new tab, you need to look for colors. I can see here colors next to background. Click on it. And here, aligning these transparency effects, you need to make sure that this is off. Okay. Because this will consume a lot of data in your computer. So make sure that this is disabled. Okay. So once done, let's press Windows and R key together again. Windows and R key together. And this time type ncpa.cpl. Then click on OK to proceed. So the moment you click on that, you will be able to open your network connections. Here you will see the network connections, the network cable, network adapters that your computer is connecting to. And here's the catch. You need to select the network connection or network Wi-Fi that your computer is currently connecting to. If you're connecting to Ethernet, then go with this. And in my case, since I'm connecting to a Wi-Fi, then I'm going with this. Okay, so just simply select the network that you are currently connecting, do a right click, and go for properties. Okay, so once done, just identify and select this Internet Protocol version 4. Okay, so once done, go for properties. Okay, and make sure that this use the following DNS server addresses is enabled and aligning the preferred DNS server, input the best Google's DNS server, which is 8.8.8.8. Then here in the alternate DNS server, go with 8.8.4.4. Then click on OK to apply. Then simply close this and close this window. And let's say if you have tried all of those steps and you are not seeing any changes, good changes in your computer, then let's bound to the very last step, which is to reset this PC. Now, how can we do that? At the search icon again, just type reset PC. Okay, and this best match will appear. Just click on open to continue. Okay, and here it has this recovery options. Then go for reset PC. The moment you click on that, these two options will appear, keep my files and removed everything. And I recommend you to go with keep my files. Click on it and it is now getting things ready. Just have to wait until it's done and then click on next to reset your PC. Okay, so those are the steps on how to speed up your computer and to make your computer faster. Hopefully those steps help you a lot. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.